Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare healthy and nutritious food, Karnataka special Ragi Mudde. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare Ragi Mudde. We need 1 cup of ragi flour or finger millet flour, clarified butter, salt to taste, oil and 2 cups of water. First, we are going to sieve the ragi flour or finger millet flour. Keep it aside. Keep one pan for heating. Add in 2 cups of water. Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use any cooking oil. Here I am using vegetable oil. Once the water comes to complete boil, we have to add ragi flour. Here I have taken 1 cup of ragi flour and 2 cups of water. Once the water starts boiling and comes on the ragi flour, we have to use wooden spoon or whisk to mix this well. Here I am using whisk. We have to stir it very well so that there are no lumps. Stir it for a minute and add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Mix it with spatula or wooden spoon. Keep the stove heat to low. Once it is mixed well, close the lid and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low stove heat. Now switch off the stove and make it into a ragi ball. This is very hot to make ragi ball, so here I am using silicone cookie sheet greased with clarified butter. I am taking this ragi dough on a cookie sheet so that it will be easy to make ragi balls. Here I am going to knead this dough for a minute so that it will become very soft and easy to make ragi ball. I am going to divide this into 2 parts to make 2 ragi muddes. Apply little water to your palm and make it into a round ball. In the shown measurement, we can make 2 ragi muddes of this big size. Here our lunch is ready. Ragi mudde and hurali kalu palya or horse gram palya and bassaru. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.